Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to do nested styles. So we should be able to style things that are inside other things. So for instance, we've got H1 here that's inside banner. So we should be able to say something like, if there's a H1 inside banner, let it look like this, as opposed to just general H1s. So I've done a little bit of tidying up as well, just to simplify how all this looks. But at the moment, I've got H1 here as defined as font family Georgia, and I've got a background colour. If I look in here, it's taking on, this H1 inside banner is taking on that style, but I want to format the H1 inside the banner slightly differently, so I can be quite precise in what I can actually style here. So what I can do is, let's make some space. I can say hash banner H1, so that's targeting the H1 inside the banner. So I can say I want font family to be Padana sans serif. I want font size to be 14 pixels, and I want the colour to be black. So black is 000. So we'll save that and see if that's worked. I'll refresh, and here we go. So I've specifically styled this H1 inside banner. So we can do that even more. I've created these little blocks here. So what I'm going to do is specifically target the content inside those boxes. But first I'm going to create some divs for these. So I'm going to call these div class equals, I'm going to call these teasers. So with a div class, I can reuse this. So here's one div, and I'm just going to copy and paste this to save time. And there's two divs. So div class teasers, and again div class teasers. So back in styles, I can find space and say dot teasers, because it's a class, and I can say something like background is I'll just do grey. We'll see how that looks. I'll save that, refresh these. So the background's grey. I can go a little bit further than that as well. Where's that gone? I can say background is light grey, and I can say that also I want to style the H2, so I've got H2s inside these teasers. So I do dot teasers H2 curly brackets, and I can say font family is Georgia serif, and font size is 12 pixels. Spell it right. So save that, refresh. Here we go. So we've got the small font size there.